This is Larry at the best saying. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you become. What you say, you see. All right, today I'm gonna go into. I'm gonna start giving you a little bit of description about the types of imagination. We talked about the fact that there's 6 types of imagination that we're going to be going over in this in the next few weeks. They're actually more than that. I mean, imagination is imagination. You can come up with as many types of imagination as you want to. But we're going to zero in on the 6 that I think are most practical and most useful to most of us achieving our goals. And the number 1, synthetic imagination, creative imagination, end result imagination, process imagination, conditioned response imagination, spontaneous response imagination. Today we're going to start with synthetic imagination. And you know what? No matter what you're trying to do in life, for most of us, that's the one we're going to use, at least we're going to start with the most. Synthetic imagination is very, very simple. It's simply a matter of synthesizing other ideas, concepts, or plans that you have already been privy to. For example, I'm going to give you a very, very basic example of synthetic imagination. If you look around you, most likely, I'm looking around here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right here where I'm sitting looking around me, I see at least 17 light bulbs. 17 light bulbs, okay? And I am sure wherever you are right now, it is very likely that a light bulb is on. Well, do you know how the light bulb was created, was invented? It all started when Thomas Edison, the late great Edison, decided to create his own incandescent lamp. Well, you see, the whole idea wasn't new, because by the time Edison got on the scene, there were other scientists and other people who had discovered that you could hit a wire with electricity and it will produce light. But the problem was the heat burned the wire so quickly that a light did not last for more than 2 to 3 minutes. Well, Edison performed many experiments. As a matter of fact, it is said that he attempted over 10,000 times, still could not get the result he was looking for. And then it occurred to him, again, synthetic imagination. He borrowed another idea that was already in existence. He realized that coal was produced by burning wood with fire, but the wood was usually covered with soil, so that there was just enough air to allow the fire to turn the wood into charcoal and not consume it completely. So he borrowed that idea, and he thought, if he could just put that wire in a bottle and remove as much air as he can from the bottle, what would happen? Bingo! Guess what? When Edison performed that experiment, he realized that he had created an incandescent lamp that burned the first time for 8.5 hours. Today we have bulbs that burn for years. What am I trying to say? Basically, what Thomas Edison did was he put together a couple of ideas that were already in existence. So that's where I'm going to wrap it up today. Synthetic imagination. I mean, you can look around you. Walmart, Sam's Club, McDonald's, Staples, Food Depot, Home Depot. You look all around you, they're all results of synthetic imagination. So we'll wrap it up here today. And remember, your imagination will put you over. What is it you're trying to do? What would you like to do? What would you like to be? What would you like to have? Somebody else has already done it. Somebody else has already put the pieces together. Now put your imagination to work. And I'll talk to you soon. And carpe diem. Ciao.